True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid, guys. So thank you all for stopping by on the channel. So today, guys, I'm in Manchester. So I'm gonna give you a tour of one place them call him Philham Drive in Hatfield, guys. So welcome to Philham Drive. So welcome to Philham Drive, Hatfield Estate. Let's keep our community clean, neighborhood watch. So guys, thank you all for tuning into the channel. So I'm gonna give you a tour of Philham Drive. Yeah man, so you know some of the time you have a lot for sale in Philham Drive and them place there. So I'm gonna make the left turn, guys. Yeah man, giving a tour of Philham Drive. And guys, you can tell me what you think about this area. If it's a good neighborhood to live in, by the scenery and everything, guys. So you all can leave in the comment section and tell me what you think about this area, guys. Yeah, because I know say I don't want to come to Jamaica come live in some areas because I don't know the area. So I giving our views on the area them so you can have an idea what go on. So this is Philham Drive, guys, in Manchester, in Hatfield area. You know, say Manchester is a very nice parish, very cool parish also, one of the coolest parish in Jamaica, guys. Yeah man, so you know most people say them love the cool weather when them touching the Mandeville side, the Christiana. Very nice area for the weather also, guys. So take a tour into Philham Drive. So no Jamaica with Fire Reid. We're Jamaica #1 tour guide. Yeah man, do a lot of area in the rural areas. Can't forget them places, you know, a lot of persons forget the rural areas, only think about the town areas. So I give you a mix up of everything about Jamaica, guys. Because I love Jamaica, you know, so I always see me post some positive things about Jamaica. Nothing negative, just a be a positive vibes in Jamaica, guys, because I know I love the country, I love the sweet island, guys. So big up on yourself, anyone who watch from yard or abroad, and big up on yourself. Yes, I'm talking to you. Yeah man, I don't know see I see the video, so just like the video, just give it a big like, guys. Also boop, yeah man, because, and also share it to your friends and family, because we want to know. Because YouTube wanna see you share the video so a lot of people on the platform can see the different areas them, guys. So do the necessary. Yeah man, and thank you again for tuning into the channel. And tell me if you don't love your place and tell me what I go on. Don't afraid to say, leave it in the comment section. Philham Drive in Manchester, guys, in the Hatfield area. So if I see any house or land for sale, I will keep you posted, guys. Yeah man, so you know, so you have a apartment in them places. So you all, if you want some place to rent in a Mandeville, you know, so you have a apartment in Philham Drive, guys. Yeah man, so check it out and see if you can find the apartment name in Philham Drive. See a house for sale. Yeah man. House for sale in this area in Philham Drive, guys. can see, we have some a bit of road condition right here right now. You know Jamaica stay. So I don't see what I go and give you a local tour same way. You know say Jamaica with it. You know say Jamaica always has some bad road condition. But we just have to work with the flow. And every place I go look proper. Which I would love for it to look proper, but it's not every place gonna look proper. But so we have to come together and see if we can fix certain place. If you live in a neighborhood, just have to come together and fix the area, you know? Because some places have some bad road condition. And I love to see them places get fixed, you know? As I can see, I see where there's a hydrant, so I think water is supposed to be in this area, guys. But sometimes, you know, we have a lot of hydrants around and water still not in the area. So I don't know, I take it up on the tour and show you what I go on, because I know every YouTuber go in a certain area to show you what I go on. I take the time out to show you what I go on. Yeah, because you know, just love when I do my paper, just support things same way. As I say, just be a positive things, no negative things around here. So a lot of videos gonna come out. You know, say if you make the right turn, guys, will take you on to Allen Drive. Man, as you can see, the place are grade down and things, so I don't know, say new house I can build up and thing. No matter where the land is, just you can dig it down and build a nice house there, guys. So yeah man, one love and one heart again. So thank you all for tuning to the channel. Yeah man, so you just get a tour of Philham Drive. So guys, if you see any place online, this is what Philham Drive look like. Yeah man, so bless up and thank you all for watching, guys.